In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go live on Discord Mobile. If you've ever wanted to share your gameplay, show an app demo, or just turn on your camera to hang out with friends, you can do it right from your phone in just a few taps. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to expect. Start by joining the server and the voice channel you want to go live in. Open the Discord app, pick the server from your sidebar, and tap the voice channel where your friends are hanging out. If the channel has a lock icon or you can't connect, you might need the right permissions from a moderator. Once you're in, you'll see the call controls docked along the bottom of your screen. Next, drag the bottom panel up to see more options. That small tray at the bottom expands into a full panel when you swipe it upward. This is where the streaming controls live, along with your mic mute, speaker settings, and other helpful toggles. From here, select Share Your Screen. Your phone may show a system prompt asking you to confirm the broadcast. Approve it, and you'll get a brief countdown before your stream starts. Keep in mind that everything on your screen could be visible to the channel, so consider turning on Do Not Disturb to hide notifications and keeping any personal content closed. If you rotate your phone, Discord will adapt to landscape or portrait, so choose whatever best fits what you're showing. While sharing, you can return to Discord at any time to check the stream status or adjust audio. If you'd rather go live with your camera instead of your screen, press the video icon to open your camera. This switches the stream to your phone's camera so people in the channel can see you in real time. You can swap between front and rear cameras, make sure you're in good light, and hold the phone steady for a clearer image. Your mic and speaker controls remain in the same bottom panel, so you can mute or unmute as needed without stopping the video. And there you go. Join the server and voice channel, drag the bottom panel up, choose Share Your Screen to stream what's on your device, or tap the video icon to broadcast your camera. That's all it takes to go live on Discord Mobile. With these steps, you'll be ready to share, present, or just hang out face-to-face from anywhere.